morning to all. In this video, we are going to learn the very important 5-mark question from exercise number 2.8, question number 6. The question is, find the sum to n terms of the series. We don't know is it a geometric series or arithmetic series. Actually, it is neither geometric series nor arithmetic series. Neither geometric series nor arithmetic series. If it is geometric series, means we can use the formula Sn equal to a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. If it is AP, means we have some formula, Sn equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, like that. But it is neither geometric series nor arithmetic series. So what shall we do? Better we convert this given series to either AP or GP. Now here 4 is a common factor. If you take 4 out in this series, I am going to take 4 out. So what do we have? 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 to n terms. Okay, if I take 4 out, what do we have? 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 to n terms. Now I am going to multiply and divide it by 9. So when I divide by 9, we can take that 9 out. So I multiply, So 0.1 into 9 becomes 0.9 plus 0.11 into 9 becomes 0.99 plus 0.111 into 9 is equal to 0.999 to n terms. Now, this 0.9 can be written as 1 minus 0.1. 1 minus 0.1. Actually 0.9 is there. It can be written as 1 minus 0.1 plus 1 minus 0.01. The second one, 0.99, can be written as 1 minus 0.01 plus and so on to n terms. Now I am going to split the terms. How? Whole bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 to n terms, bracket minus. This minus here also minus, the third one is also minus. So if I take that minus out, what do we have? 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 and so on to n terms, bracket and whole bracket. See, it forms a GP. It is also forming a GP. So first one, we can take case 1, which means we are going to simplify this 1 plus 1 to n terms. Okay, we know the formula. Here a is equal to 1, r is also 1. So Sn equal to Na. Sn equal to Na. So Sn equal to n into a value 1. So Sn is equal to n. The first case over. Second one. The second case here, case 2. This series 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus and so on to n terms. Okay. Here the first term a is equal to 0.1. R is also 0.1. How can we find it? Means term 2 divided by term 1. 0.01 divided by 0.1 gives 0.1. So it is also forming a GP. So Sn equal to A of, here R value which is less than 1. So we can take 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. We just assign the value. Sn equal to A, that is 0.1 of 1 minus R value 0.1 whole power n divided by 1 minus 0.1. So 0.1 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power n whole divided by this 1 minus 0.1 can be written as 0.9. From case 1 and case 2, we conclude the question. So, Sn equal to 4 by 9 of, instead of this series, I am going to write this answer. So, 4 by 9 of, instead of this series, Sn equal to n minus, instead of this series, we can write this one, 0.1 by 0.9 into, instead of this series, I am going to write this value 0.1 by 0.9 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power n. This is the required answer. So Sn equal to 4 by 9 of n minus 0.1 by 0.9 of 1 minus 0.1 whole power n. This is the required answer. Actually Sn equal to 4 by 9 of this one. Instead of this and this, we simplified. After finding the value of this series sum, we substitute. This is the conclusion. Question number 6, second subdivision. The question is 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus and so on to n terms. The given series is neither geometric series nor arithmetic series because the common differences are different as well as common ratio are also different. Therefore, we cannot say either geometric series and arithmetic series. So now we are going to convert either geometric series or arithmetic series. First, I am going to take the 3 common factor 3 out. So what do we have? 1 plus 11 plus 111 and so on to n terms. So now multiply and divide by 9 on both sides. So we can write it as 3 by 9. If you divide by 9 means we can take that 9 out. So I have written as 3 by 9 of. This becomes 1 into 9, 9. 11 into 9, 99. Plus 111 into 9, 999 plus and so on to n terms. It can be simplified, so 1 by 3. Now this 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. This 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. This one can be written as 1000 minus 1. Plus and so on to n terms. Now I am going to split the series 1 by 3 of 10 plus 100 plus 1000. 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus and so on to n term. This is one series. Bracket minus. Here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and so on. If I take that minus out, what do we have? 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on to n terms. Okay. 1 by 3 of 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus and so on to n terms minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 to n terms. Actually here a is equal to 1, r is equal to 1. We know the formula Sn equal to Na. So we can write it as Sn equal to n. First one 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus and so on to n terms. This is a GP because common ratios. The ratios are same. Therefore it is a GP. What is the ratio? 100 by 10 equal to 10. 1000 by 100 is equal to 10. So first case a is equal to 10, r is also 10. Sn equal to a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, where a is equal to 10 of 10 power Sn equal to 10 of 10 power n minus 1 divided by r value 10 minus 1 gives 9. And this one case 2, A equal to 1, R is also 1. So Sn equal to Na, where A is equal to 1, so Sn equal to N. So conclusion, Sn equal to 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 of, instead of this series, I am going to write this one, 10 of 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9, minus, instead of this series I am going to write, this is a required answer. Question number 8. Find the sum of the geometric series 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus and so on plus 1536. What is it? It is nth term or last term, which is equal to 1536. And A, first term is equal to 3. And R is equal to term 2 divided by term 1. So 6 by 3 gives 2. Okay. So now we are going to find sum of the geometric series. So first we have to find the value of n. How can we find? By using this one. Tn equal to A of R power n minus 1, which is equal to this value 1536. A value is 3 and R value is 2 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 1536. It can be divisible by 3 table. One time, here 5 times 15, 1 time, 2 times. So 2 power n minus 1, which is equal to 512. So 2 power n minus 1 is equal to, this 512 is 2 power 9. So bases are same on both sides. Bases are same on both sides. So we can equate their power. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. So n is equal to, this minus 1 becomes plus 1. So n is equal to 10. So S10, we are going to find S10. A of Sn formula is A of R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So S10 means replace n by 10. A value 3. R value 2. 2 power 10 minus 1 divided by R value 2 minus 1. 3 of 2 power 10 value 1024 minus 1 divided by 1. So 3 into 1024 minus 1 gives 1023. If you multiply by this one, 3 into 3, 9, 3 2s are 6, 0, 3. So S10 is equal to 3069.